Hello, myself Ashwini Mahesh Thorat. I would like to share my experience with Dr. Dipali Patil. I have 8 years old daughter. In the past, she is most of the time suffer from the cold, and that's why due to cold she is affected her day-to-day routine life. But at one time, Dr. Dipali Patil consulted me for homeopathy treatment for her cold problem. So I trust on her. That's why I'm choosing Dr. Dipali's homeopathy treatment for her, and I took that 3 4 months course for her, and after that I found very positive results towards her problem. And in this such COVID period, I find very much relief from her cold, and I'm getting very positive result from this treatment. So I'm very happy with homeopathy treatment. And in the past, I'm thinking like a homeopathy treatment cannot homeopathy treatment cannot treat well. It's very slow process, but after this treatment, I believe homeopathy treatment is very good, and Dr. Dipali Patil consultation is also very good, and I'm happy with this treatment. Thank you.
Good.